This is the Banshee Titan V3 29er. The frame is a size large, made from aluminum with 155 rear travel. The fork is a fast 36 160mm travel, custom coated with grip tooth damper, paired with a custom fender. The owner of this bike loves Spank so much that he installed it in all of his bike. As you may guess, the handlebar is a Spank Spike 780mm width and the stem is 35mm long. The rims is a Spank 5-core 29er that is so strong. The tires are Maxxis Assegai 29 by 2.5, tubeless ready and DH casing. The hubs is a boosted Hope Pro 4 for both wheels. The brakes is the latest Shimano XT quad piston caliper paired with 203mm rotor. The group set is from SX 1x12 with a range of 1150 teeth and a 34 teeth chainring and SX quad. The driver post is a fast transfer casual coated and a Dartmoor saddle. Of course, let's not forget the most important part of this bike, the belt. There you have it. What do you think about this bike? Comment down in the comment section below and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification for you not to miss a future video. Again, my name is Rogelio, yung tropang vlog.